Hey, it's Jonah from the Slumber team, and today I'm going to be showing you how to effectively apply the Slumbr Mouth tape so you can get to sleeping without a worry. Now, before we get started, there are a few things that we do suggest just so you can effectively have the greatest sleep quality and you have no issues throughout the night. So first of all, we do recommend that you do practice your dental hygiene and brush those teeth, as well as give a nice floss. And secondly, we suggest that you do take a final sip of water. This will just ensure that you are quenching your thirst and you don't get any sudden urges to get up throughout the night and have a drink of water. And finally, we do recommend that your lips and surrounding area of your lips are nice and moisturized. Nothing too much so they're not too oily, just enough so the adhesive works properly. This will just ensure that you don't have any issues on or surrounding your lips. And you can use lip balm, but we suggest that you don't use too much, just in case it does affect the adhesive that is going to be covering your mouth. You don't want that one coming off throughout the night. So if you are going to use lip balm, don't use too much. All right, so now that we have done that, it is time to get our mouth tape on. Now, just for the purpose of this video, just for visual demonstration purposes, mine is going to be black. It is just so you can get a nice view of what the mouth tape will actually look like and just a really good demonstration as to how to apply it. All right, so let's get that mouth tape on. So firstly, what we're going to want to do is take off that white backing so we can get access to the adhesive. Now we can do this by grabbing both sides of the mouth tape and tearing it apart via that rigid line that's in the middle, like so. And once we've done that, we can then go ahead and peel that backing off nice and easy and prepare to place that on our mouth. So in the beginning, this may be a little tricky, so we do suggest doing this in front of a mirror so you can see yourself directly when applying the mouth tape, but eventually you'll become a pro at it. And now, just before applying the mouth tape, we do recommend that you slightly tuck in your lips to ensure that the mouth tape fits nice and comfortably. You don't have to do this, but for the purpose of this video, I will show a demonstration like so. And then once your lips are slightly tucked in, go ahead and place the mouth tape over your lips, just ensuring the entire mouth is covered with that air vent in the middle there. And once you've got your mouth tape on, go ahead and gently massage that one in to ensure the adhesive is on properly and won't come off throughout the night there. And now that you've got that, you are ready to slumber. Okay, now on to removing the mouth tape. So to effectively remove the mouth tape, what we can do is gently peel back that mouth tape from top to bottom, just like this. This is very effective if you do have facial hair and will ensure that there is no waxing off that precious mustache. Another way to take off the mouth tape is to just forcibly open and move your mouth like so. Don't mind the discomfort on my face, it was actually quite fun doing this. This is also an effective way if you have facial hair as well. Alternatively, an easy way is just by peeling off the mouth tape from one side of your mouth to the other, like so. If you're going to use this technique, just remember to be gentle and not rip it off too quickly. Even if you don't have any facial hair, you don't want to damage your skin with this one. Thank you so much for watching the demonstration, and on behalf of the Slumber team, we hope you have a great sleep.